is the dashboard of the Gala Seller app, and today we'll learn about inventory. Here you'll find the option inventory, and in this you'll find stock adjustments and stock transfer. So we'll first explore stock adjustments. Here we have two options, stock adjustment and bulk adjustment. You want to adjust the stock one by one or the stock is limited, you will be using stock adjustment. To adjust the stock in bulk when the amount is more, you will be using the option bulk adjustment. Alright, so for stock adjustment, you need to select the location. Adjustment that the stock is moving inward, which is in the inventory, or it is moving outside, which is moving out of the inventory. You can choose accordingly. Batch number you can choose, supplier, item. This is very important. Now once done, click on save. So you have successfully adjusted the stock. Now we'll talk about bulk adjustment. So you have to upload a CSV file here. Choose a file. And just click on submit. The stock will be bulk adjusted. Now in case you want to export the data, you'll click on this. Choose the file format. Let's choose CSV. Yeah, and the file will be automatically stamped and saved to your desktop. So that's all about stock adjustment. Now, here we have stock transfer in the inventory section. So we will explore this. Now, for stock transfer, we have this option, which is to transfer the new stock. We'll click on this. You have to now select the source location and the destination location and make sure that these are different. Obviously, you are transferring the stock from one location to another. So select the store location, destination location, items. Make sure that the items are in stock, whatever you are adding. Alright, and just click on save. So here you have to also select the destination. As of now, because this is a sample, we do not have a destination location. In your case, you will find the destination location. And once done, you will just click on save and the stock will be automatically transferred. So yeah. That's all about stock adjustments and stock transfer. Hope this helps you. Thank you.